Have you ever wondered how to use and to properly? Well, you're not alone. It's a common conundrum in the English language, and today we're going to unravel this mystery together. Welcome to Essential English, Mastering the Use of and to. You see, these three words may sound the same, but they couldn't be more different. Let's start with to. It's a preposition used to indicate direction or movement. For example, I'm going to the store. Here, to shows where I'm headed. Or, I gave the book to Mary. In this case, to indicates the recipient of the book. Moving on to to. This one's simple. It's the written form of the number 2. For example, I have 2 apples. Here, 2 is used to count the number of apples, or it takes 2 to tango. In this case, to is used to specify the number of people needed to tango. Now let's explore to. To is an adverb that can mean also or excessively. For example, I like ice cream too. Here, to is used to indicate that I also like ice cream, or it's too cold outside. In this case, to is used to express that the cold is excessive. It's easy to get these three words mixed up, but remember, to shows direction or movement. To is a number, and to means also or excessively. Next time you're writing or speaking, keep these distinctions in mind. The mysteries of to, and to unveiled. Keep practicing, and soon, using these words correctly will feel as natural as breathing. Until next time, happy learning.